Loramendi is presenting quite an innovation here at the trade fair. Thank you for your time, and it is quite amazing what you're presenting. What is it?
Okay, thank you. Well, what we are presenting here is the industrialization of the core printing. This means we are really showing a whole production line, starting from the raw material preparation through the printing process and all the post-processing to the really final core ready for casting being 3D printed. So it's important to know here that if you want to industrialize 3D core printing, you have to really take the advantage of them. So you have to use the flexibility that it's allowing you in the core geometry. You have to really use all the potential of 3D printing and go then into the serial production. This is meant for really OEMs, tier ones that want to go into serial, into big high volume production using the flexibility and the advantages of 3D printing.
Tell me about how fast this the machine is.
So I will give you some numbers. For example, printing a water jacket core, more or less 100 millimeters high. We're talking about a cycle time of 5 minutes per core, having one printer. If you want to go faster, if you want to go in the 1 minute per core range, then you just scale up the product and use 4, 10 printers so that you can really match the production speed of standard technologies like core shooting.
You have a huge stand here at the trade fair, so you're not only presenting this, even though it would be enough. What else do you have with you? What else did you bring to the fair?
So we are showing here also our core shooting machine. Loramendi and Auerenag are leaders in the inorganic process and are showing here at the fair the most productive and fastest inorganic core making machine in the world. This means we have a very fast dry cycle, taking less than 14 seconds, and this is really enabling us to produce sand package and structural parts in a really high volume production.
So the whole package you get at Loramendi. Thank you so much for your time and explaining it to us, and you just have to come visit and take a look at it for yourself. Thanks a lot.